Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install Fitbit app on your mobile phone, which is an app based on health and fitness. It monitors your activities. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you guys. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for Fitbit. You can see the app here, Fitbit Health and Fitness. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its features. Now the app is ready to use. You can use it to improve your health. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.